Greetings dear learners. In this video, we will talk about selection statements in Python and specifically nested if statement. Next is nested if statement. Nested if means writing one if within another if. So if you look at the syntax, we can see if conditional expression 1 colon, if we are writing another if inside the first if conditional expression 2 colon, statement block 1, else colon, statement block 2, else colon, statement block 3. So please match all if and else is always matched to its nearest if. So if we look at this else, the nearest if is this if. So this else is matched to this if. And if we look at this else, the nearest if which is unpaired is this if. So we will pair this else with this if. So this is how we do the matching of if and else statement. So in this case, if the first conditional expression evaluates to true, the control passes to the second conditional expression, that is conditional expression 2. Now if conditional expression 2 also evaluates to true, statement block 1 will be executed, and if conditional expression 2 evaluates to false, statement block 2 will be executed. Now suppose conditional expression 1 evaluates to false. So in that case, this else will be executed and statement block 3 statements will get executed. So we look at the flowchart. You can see here, this is condition 1. If it evaluates to true, it will come to condition true. If condition 2 also evaluates to true, statement 1 will be executed and program control comes to the end of if-else statements. If it evaluates to false, then statement 2 will be executed. If conditional statement 1 evaluates to false, then statement 3 will be executed and then the normal program flow begins. Let us see an example of nested if statement. The question is, write a program to print a message eligible for voting if the nationality of the citizen is I, here I stands for Indian, and age greater than or equal to 18. Otherwise print not eligible. So if we have to check two things, if the nationality of the citizen is I, then we have to check the age. If age is also greater than equal to 18, then we have to print eligible for voting. Otherwise, we have to print the appropriate message along with not eligible, whether his age is not greater than equal to 18 or whether he is not Indian. So we have to give a proper message. So we will use nested if to solve this question. So let us see the code of this. So I will write nationality is equal to input, enter nationality, first letter only. So we have to input only the first letter. For India, it can be I, or for other countries, we have to use the first letter. So if nationality is equal to I, or nationality equal to capital I, we are checking both I, small I and capital I, colon, we input the age of a person. Age is equal to int, input, enter age. If age greater than equal to 18, colon, print eligible for voting. Else, colon, print not eligible and age is less than 18. Else, this else belongs to the first if. If the nationality is not Indian, then this else will be evaluated and this print statement will be executed. And the print statement is print not eligible, nationality is not Indian. So this is the code of the program. When I run this program, you can see the output. Enter nationality will be displayed, first letter only. Then it will ask to input age. So enter age will be displayed. Suppose I have entered the age as 23. So it will display eligible for voting. Because this condition becomes true and it will print eligible for voting. Otherwise, if I run this program again, so again it will display enter nationality, first letter only. So suppose I have entered I and this time I am entering age 12. So it will check whether the age is greater than equal to 18. This condition has become false. So it will come to the else part and it will print not eligible, age is less than 18. Now let us run this program again. Suppose I have input, it will display enter nationality, first letter only, and suppose I have input H. So the first condition becomes false, so it will directly come to its else part and it will print not eligible, nationality is not Indian. So this is how it works. Let us see the next question. The question is, write a program to print a message, admission allowed, if the entry pass number is between 10 and 20 and age greater than or equal to 20. Otherwise print not allowed. And you have to print a proper message. Why it is not allowed? whether his age is not greater than or equal to 20, or whether his past number is not between 10 and 20. So we have to write down a proper message along with the code. So let us do it in a Python shell. So I will open a new Python file. So I will write down the code. Num equal to int input, enter a number. Now I will check whether this number is between 10 and 20. So if it is between 10 and 20, I will input the age. Enter age. Now I will check whether this age is greater than equal to 18 or 20 or not. If age greater than equal to 20, you can see indentation is coming on its own. Print admission allowed, else print admission not allowed, age is less than 20. Next, I will write down else for my first if. If past number is not between 10 and 20, then I will print. So I will come to this indentation level. Print admission not allowed. Entry pass number is not between 10 and 20. So this is my script. So let us first save it and then run it. So let us see, I am giving the name, suppose ASDF. So this is my script and now I will run it. You can see it will ask me to input a number. So let me first input a number. Suppose I have inputted suppose 18. Then it is asking me to enter age. So suppose I have added 34 to age. You can see the output is admission allowed, because first condition is true as my num lies between 10 and 20, and the second condition, age greater than equal to 20, is also true. So admission is allowed. Let us run it again. So again it is asking for number. Suppose I have entered number 34. You can see it is giving me admission not allowed. Entry pass number is not between 10 and 20. So this else will be executed and this print statement is printed. Let us run it once again. And this time suppose my number is 15 and suppose my age is 10. So let me see. The output is admission not allowed. Age is less than 20. So you can see my first condition is true and then it is asking me to input age. But my age condition is false as it is not greater than equal to 20. So it is printing admission not allowed because age is less than 20. So this is how it works. So you can use the nested statements according to your needs. So this is all for this video. If you like this video, kindly give thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel Learning Simplified. Thank you.